Here we need to find the domain of a function f which maps every element x to a series like this. Now, what does this term represent? The symbol that you see here, sigma, represents addition. How many terms are you adding? It is not an infinite number of terms, only finite, only 10 terms you are adding. And now, what does that sum look like? Each of this term looks exactly the same except for n. This n takes values from 1 to 10. This n takes the values 1, 2, 3, etc. all the way to 10. So you see what this f is doing? This f is taking every x from the domain and mapping it to such a term which consists of the sum of 10 other terms. Now our question is, what all values can this x take? For example, if you have polynomials, any polynomial, you will have no restriction. Your domain can be the whole of real numbers. There is absolutely nothing stopping them. But at the same time, if you have a square root functions, your radicand, or in other words, what comes inside of this sign has to be positive. That means you cannot have negative numbers here. There is a restriction for the domain. Similarly, the rational functions also come with a restriction. What is the restriction? Its denominator cannot be 0. That means each of these denominators cannot be 0. When the modulus of a number is not 0, the number itself will be not 0. That means all of these terms cannot be 0. That means x cannot be 1 by 2 and x cannot be 2 by 2 or 3 by 2 or go on like that, 9 by 2, 10 by 2. Except for these values. How many values are there? 10 values. So your x cannot take these 10 values. Now that means your x can be any real number as long as it is not one of these 10 values.